Glitter Nail Polish Gel Kit. Makartt Glitter Gel set to deliver a high gloss finish and also a plumping effect to give your nails a shining look, popular and trendy colors suitable for summer seasons and daily life. Special gift for women girl. This translucent gel nail polish set comes in a gift box. It's a perfect gift idea for wife, girlfriend, mother, birthday, anniversary. Glitter nail designs could be freely finished with these vibrant color gel. Long-lasting. With proper application, this jelly gel color nail polish can last for 3 weeks. Each of the gel colors is highly pigmented and is easily applied onto your nails, perfect for professional salon or at-home personal use. High-quality Makartt Gel Polish. The Jelly Rainbow Gel Polish set is made from natural resin, healthy ingredients, low smell. No chips or smudges, not peeling off easily. High gloss wear and mirror shine finish. Soak off nail polish gel. This glitter pink yellow blue nail polish gel kit needs to be cured under LED light. Average for LED light 60 to 120 secs. Tip. Acrylic nail kit match nail tips, accessories would be more beautiful. Top reviews from the United States. Runny. I love the colors and the amount of glitter, but it is on the runny side. Had to keep checking and wiping the gel off my skin before curing it. I am sure I will get better over time. I really had fun using this product.